Okay, Vic, let's do this. We're going to do true voice falsetto, back to true voice again. We want to keep it moving smoothly. We are. Try that for us, Vic Ruther.
We are.
Good. We are. Feeling that we in your falsetto, in between your ears there. A little smile on that we. I know it's low falsetto. It's going to get a little bit higher in a second.
We
Good. Let's keep it going. We are. Let's keep it fluent. Let's not stop.
we
We're stopping on the way down, Vic Ruther. It's okay, but I really want it like a metronome. We are. Okay, so smoothly through it if we can.
we are.
Good. We are.
We are.
We are. Keep your smiles through it.
We are.
Now, Vic, we're stopping now. You're going, we are. I want to keep it fluent. So the skill in this scale here is to go from true voice back to falsetto again without that sort of that break or that donkey crack. So it's like, nobody said it was easy. So it's not as easy as what it sounds like to do that to that Coldplay song. But what I want you to think you're doing is round up to the top note and bring your volume down and nearly scoop under to your bottom note. Bring the volume down and fish hook back up to the last note. So hear me. You're going to hear me bring it down. We are. So bring the volume down and it's seamless coming back. But keep moving. We are. Your turn.
We are.
Good, good. Bring the volume down a little bit slower on the way back down, Vic.
We are.
Oh, perfect. That was beautiful. Good. That's in the recording. Refer back to that one there. It's great. That was great. Do that again.
We are.
Nice. Keep it going, Vic Ruther. Keep it smooth.
We are.
Good. Vic, even at home, doing this with your hand. We are. Doing that with your hand would be good. A little bit firmer now. Nice big smile on your we.
We are.
Good, good. Just watch your pitch starting. You're a little bit flat starting then, Vic. We are. Keep it smooth. Your turn.
We are.
Ah, that was beautiful. Go again.
We are. We are.
Got to watch your pitch coming down, Vic Ruther there. Other than that, it was good. I want a little bit more smile. Let's have a look into the monitor or the mirror, but keep your smiles. So it's, we are. Keep your smile through it. Cry on the R's as well too. Your turn.
We are. We are. We are.
One more. Watch that last note, Vic Ruther. Big smile on your last note. Lift it up. Last one.
We are.
Good. Make it a little smoother, Vic Ruther. We kind of hit that last one then a little.
We are.
Watch your pitch then, Vic Ruther. Try that again. Watch your pitch.
We are.
Good. Hear me. We are. Watch your pitch. Big smile on the last R.
We are. We are.
Vic, I want you to raise to that first note. You're kind of hitting it now. You're going, we are. I want, remember we're raising up, hooking under. We One more, we're done.
We are.
Pitch in that first note, Vic Ruther. Let's go again. Watch that pitch. Hear the chord.
We are.
What more smile on your R's, Vic Ruther? We missed the pitch on those again. One more go. Let me do it. Let me do it. We are. You'll hear back on the playback about 10, 20 in.
We are.
That was better. What's your last note?
We are.
That one there was perfect. That was great. Nice and smooth. Pitch was great. So Vic Ruther, you know always the main point with all of your scales and all of your singing. Number one point is always pitch. Always watching your pitch. Make sure that you got your stereo at home or your speakers to quite a good volume so you're hearing the piano being played and you're hearing me giving examples very, very clearly in your ears. You want to hear half yourself in your head and half of the piano being played. So make sure you even ride the volume up a little bit louder as you're going up higher. Always remember that pitching is always number one. That's why at the start of this class, remember I went over your most important scales, and your most important scales were your jumping scales firstly, your interval scales. Okay, so I can teach you all these other bells and whistles, but pitching is always the number one thing as well too. And make sure that you're critiquing yourself, even recording yourself doing scales, and also recording yourself doing songs as well too. Very, very important. Okay, I'm going to record this scale off for you, so I'll stop this recording here now. Okay.